The new heat system is very good actually.
I think it's very, very nice. It's much better than the old system.
I am very happy with the new system for the hot water and the heating.
The Shoreditch Heat Network is a brand new heating and hot water system here in Shoreditch on the Cranston estate where we're standing now, on Cropley Court, which is part of Wenlock Barn, and on Fairbank Estate. And it's an upgrade of the existing communal heating systems in those blocks. Some were running on oil and some here that were just out of date and at the end of their lives. So the council developed this plan with local residents and Hackney homes to invest in upgrading the heat network here.
The whole system is Hackney's answer to the increase in energy costs that residents face and will face in the future. The old systems of generating energy by using oil and electricity will be beyond the means of most people.
Obviously it's a big project, it's quite a disturbing project in terms of the effect on people's homes. So we have been working with those residents to explain to them the benefits of the scheme in detail all the way through, how the scheme will work when it's completed, how to manage their heating in particular to get the best use of it when it is completed. And that project has just come to fruition this year.
It's worth the hassle that we had with them putting it in and, you know, making little holes in the carpet and that, but it's fine. Really like it, it's clean.
This is the heart of the London Borough of Hackney's first combined and heat energy centre. It's a nearly £8 million investment by the London Borough of Hackney into Cranston estate and Wenlock Barn estate. And we hopefully can add more properties to it in the future. So there's some 500 homes on it at the moment, and as other blocks in the future, their boilers come to the end of their natural life, we can hopefully add them to this centre.
We're here in Cropley Court. Behind us you can hear the CHP unit, which is a gas-fired unit that produces electricity. That is part of the core of the system here, and these meters show how much electricity we're producing and selling back to the grid, which helps fund the upkeep of the network. And the excess heat produced by the generating unit is the hot water that's pumped around that local residents use in their radiators, showers and in their hot water taps.
Oh, the old system, it comes with our bills, the rental money we normally pay for the rent. So at least now you could know how much you are spending each month and each week for your water bill and your electricity.
The new payment system will allow residents to manage their own payments, pay when it's convenient for them, and a time that suits them and allows them to budget accordingly.
We've been on it for about a month or so now, the card system. We were part of the pilot scheme and you know, I found it very cheap to use.
When I come back for the new session, I come to my home and I can see the credit in the machine.
Just put it on top of where your boiler is and it pops up what money you've got on there and what you've used, so that's quite good.
I think that the new heating system is great because it allows you to use the heating as and when you want to, rather than only for 6 months of the year.
One of the ways this is an improvement on the existing systems was in the past, the heating went off in April and didn't come back on again until October in some of the parts of the schemes here. And that meant if you had a particularly cold day or that you had health issues that you wanted heating, you'd have to use some other form of heating, not the central heating. And so this system means that people can use the heat system all year round if they want to.
I prefer the new one because it tells you how much you're using each month. So, because the old one, it comes with your rent, like how much you're paying for your rent, it comes with it. So it's quite beneficial for me personally.
And it saves you money.
We'll pay for what we burn, so, you know, that's good.
We can clearly see that the old ways of providing energy to residents will not be affordable in the future. And without local authorities such as Hackney taking new steps like this, all that residents will face is increased heating charges.
That's why we looked at this technology here in Hackney. It wasn't to just be experimental, it was about delivering those improvements for residents as well as delivering carbon savings for the environment. So that's why it's a really important project for Hackney, and I think here the Shoreditch Heat Network and the Gascoigne project as well shows that Hackney can deliver on these projects that improve people's lives, save carbon and save people money.